In this video, I will show you how to configure the settings in WPLegalPages plugin. WPLegalPages is a WordPress plugin that generates legal policies for your WordPress website. It has 25 plus customizable legal policy templates that you can customize according to your requirements. After installing and activating the plugin, configuring the settings is a one-time setup. The details that you enter here will be used to generate customized legal pages. So, let's get started. On your WordPress dashboard, click on WPLegalPages, Settings. The Settings page has General and Compliance tabs in the free version, and an additional Data and Advanced tabs in the Pro version. Your business data is captured in the General tab of the Settings page. Enter all the details required like your domain name, business name, address, email, etc. Once you have entered all the details, click on Save Changes. Now let's check out the Compliance tab. The Compliance Settings tab has a set of useful settings that can help you with certain legal requirements, like adding legal pages links to footer, announcement banner for legal pages updates, adding a cookie bar, adding age verification pop-up, and creating pop-ups. The last two options are available in the Pro version. You can enable or disable these settings, and can also configure them from the Compliance Settings page. Next we have the Data tab, which is available under the Pro settings. You will need to enter details like date, duration, days, return period, refund processing period, etc. Finally, we have the Advanced tab under the Pro settings, which allows you to show legal pages in search, add an affiliate disclosure, enable age verification for adult content sites, and display privacy policy links and contact forms. Once you've provided all the details, click on Save Changes. You are all set to create legal pages using WPLegalPages plugin. Choose from over 25 plus pre-designed templates and start generating legal pages for your website.